Hi, these comments are for TO, and this is Michael from OTC, OnlineTOEFLCourse.com. And you sent an email to me yesterday, and what a great way to practice your speaking. So you're not just writing your message, you recorded it. I'm going to go ahead and listen to it, and as you talk and as you ask for feedback or you have a question, I'll
One of
answer it.
your students.
Yeah,
I am
okay.
having a hard time trying to navigate the courses.
Okay.
The I'm trying to like send you speaking questions, but I don't know. I'm just seeing so many here. I don't know. They're just saying this won't be graded. Please, can you explain better or elaborate for me?
Okay, what course plan are you using right now? Are you doing the TOEFL speaking boot camp course plan?
And can you tell me which practice tests I need to be sending to you regularly? Because right now I'm just trying to navigate everything. It's as if majorly most of them are vowel and consonant sounds. Can I send that to you too so you can I think give me some feedback? How
Yeah, you can do that. You can send speaking and pronunciation practice. Here's my basic rule. You can send me 60 seconds of speaking or 60 seconds of pronunciation practice every 24 hours, and I will give you feedback on those audio files. You can email them directly to me. Now, what a lot of students do, TO, is they go to TPO, what's called TOEFL Practice Online, and they find the independent and integrated speaking practice test there, and then they will complete those practice tests and then email them to me. So that's kind of how a lot of people do it. Now, if you're not sure where TPO is, you can go over to, I think it's called Zaban, Zaban, Zaban TOEFL. They have like hundreds of practice tests that you can choose from there. Now, at my website, I have 300 speaking topics, at least for the independent task. I think I have 20 topics for the integrated task. So you're going to run out of topics pretty quickly. But again, you can find TPO practice on the internet in many locations, so you can do that. All right,
we
let's.
appreciate that.
Okay,
Let me see again if I have more questions.
okay.
I don't know. Speak clearly lessons, practice exercises. This practice exercises, okay, should I send it again to you?
Yes, what you should be doing is you did a pronunciation pretest for vowel and consonant sounds, right? And then I told you there were specific lessons you're having more trouble with. So what you want to do is practice those lessons, then record maybe a 60-second audio file answering or doing a voice recording at the end of one of those lessons, then you can send it to me so you can get feedback.
For you to evaluate, for evaluation rather. Please, I don't know, can you just provide me with more details?
Yes.
I intentionally sent this as a as an audio so that
Okay, I'm gonna put in your email my TOEFL speaking boot camp course outline. That might be a good one for you right now, so at least you know what speaking lessons you can focus on. But usually if you join my course, depending on what course plan you choose, I will send you what's called a specific I'll send you a study guide that you can use. So I'll send you the TOEFL speaking boot camp course
that
study
will also
guide.
increase be able to check how um I'm speaking, my speaking ability,
Mhm.
able to I'm trying to like practice the pronunciation and the intonation, but I still don't know which one even. I'm just thinking during the exam I have 45 seconds to speak.
Yes,
The
not a
other
lot of
three questions I
time.
have 60 seconds to speak. How
Hmm.
will I know which focus or content was um to actually stress?
Good. This is a good question. Check out my lessons on sentence rhythm that talks about the unstressed and stressed words in the English language. I think it's around pronunciation lessons 25 through 28.
Thank you, and I'm expecting your reply.
All right. And thank you for your comment. So I will put the link to the speaking course in this email so you can have that.